Welcome to Daily News Update. I'm Petty Officer Latrice Ames, and these are your headlines for April 30th. The deployment of individual augmentees is a new undertaking for the Navy. To combat challenges of the program, the Navy set up the Expeditionary Combat Readiness Command in Little Creek, Virginia. Part of their duties is to make sure IAs and their families are taken care of.
I worry about IAs and their families being isolated in this new environment, and so I'm very anxious to make sure the entirety of the Navy, from our Fleet and Family Support Centers to our commanders ashore, are supportive of our individual augmentees. They are making a huge difference in this war right now. They're highly regarded in the Joint Force and greatly appreciated for everything they're doing. We've got to make sure that we take care in this new environment of their readiness, their training, as well as supporting their families.
For more information, check out ecrc.navy.mil. The Navy and the Missile Defense Agency completed a successful hit-to-kill intercept fight exercise with the Aegis Ballistic Missile Defense System. The exercise involved the simultaneous engagements of a ballistic missile target and a secondary hostile target. The Aegis system is designed to intercept missiles at a short range. This is the 8th successful test out of 10. The Marine Corps has announced the male and female athletes of the year for 2006. First Lieutenant Jessica Utter and Gunnery Sergeant Michael Green will be honored at the Marine Corps Sports Hall of Fame August 17th. Utter is a member of the 2006 All-Marine Triathlon and Ironman teams. Green is a current Submaster Bench Press World Record holder in the 220-pound weight class. From the Naval Media Center, I'm Petty Officer Latrice Ames.